Rin alam.
Yung una,
Yung una.
Yung
magugulat
una.
kayo. Sino yung unang nag-propose sa'yo at kanino ka unang na-engage?
The first man in my life was the late Keith Martin, the singer.
The singer of that song na
Because
kinanta
of
niya
You.
Tita Daniela.
Sir, oo.
Si Keith Martin, yung
Oo
singer
nga.
ng Because of You.
Dito siya talaga tumira.
Yes.
Yan,
Yes.
ang matagal.
Sumikat siya.
Dahil sa'yo, dito siya tumira.
Oh, because of you.
Because of you, my life has changed.
Siya pala
Oh
yung
my
tinutukoy
God.
sa kantang Because of You.
Because of you.
Ayan, si Diana yan. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Because of you, I feel no shame. I'll tell the world it's because of you.
Siya yung team song yan ng mga magjojowa.
Team song yan ng napakarami.
Yes,
Klase
my school.
ng love story. Pag naririnig mo yan, anong nararamdaman?
Naiiyak ako. Like,
Isa pa, parang umiyak.
Siyempre wala na si Keith.
Ay, tama na. Nakakaiyak. Isa pa.
Wow! Naiyak nga eh.
Oy, joke lang. Last na. Diyan. Diba? Yan yung unang lalaking nagparana sa'yo ng, ay, ganito pala yung may nagpo-propose. Ganito yung pakiramdam. Ilang taon kayo ni Keith Martin?
naka-ano rin kami, 8 years. It was a long relationship.
Wow, tagal.
Grabe, 8 years. 8 years.
Nag-break kami actually muna. Siguro a couple of years. Tapos nagbalikan kami.
And, anong pinakamagandang regalong na ibigay sa'yo ni Keith Martin? Bago kayo nawala, ano yung pinakamagandang naiwan niyang alaala sa'yo? Sumalangit nawa.
Yeah. Naiyak ako. Greatest gift ni Keith, I would say, that boy over there. Our son.
Saan? May anak kayo!
Oh.
Hi.
Hi!
Anong name
Hi,
niya?
Dion.
Dion?
Dion.
Hi, Dion.
Hello po.
Ang laki ng boses niya. Mag-NBA ka. Ganyan yung mga player na pinanonood ni ni Ayong ganyan kalalaki yung boss. Hi, Dion. Apelido niya Dion.
Hi, ma'am.
Oh, anong pangalan
Pangalan
niya?
niya?
Christian
Christian
Dion.
Dior. Hi,
Hi,
Dion.
Dion.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
Opo.
Oy, good.
Do you sing also?
Opo.
Oh, can you do us a sample?
Okay lang. Ay, nahihiya siya.
Konti lang.
No pressure. Oh,
Ilan taon na siya, Diana?
102, 102.
Sobra ka naman. Sagot na dapat sa kanila.
Grabe, 16 years old
He's
na
16
siya.
years old. He just graduated the grade 10.
Wow.
So,
Congrats on the moving
Aware
up.
siya na sobrang sikat ng tatay niya.
Growing up kasi hindi naman namin in-emphasize na your dad is a celebrity or anything. But he just knows na he's known because of his song.
Oh. May ira
Massive
talagang
hit.
sobrang sikat ng kantang
Massive
yan.
hit
Oo naman.
Ang dami nga nagbigay ng version yan eh. Si Kyla may cover din yan, di ba?
Sobra.
Grabe yung impact ng Because of You ni Keith Martin dati. So siya ang
Greatest
naiwan
gift.
sa iyo ni
Yeah,
Keith Martin.
greatest gift. Kasi he's a product of love. And kahit nagkahiwalay kami, we really did our best to raise him together. Kahit malayo siya. Siyempre, meron ding mga pagkukulang, pero lumaki siya na alam niya na both my mom and dad are there and they love me.
8 years kayo ni Keith, pero ilang years kayong engaged to be married?
Parang sandali lang eh. Kasi nakakatawa yung storya niya. When he proposed, hindi kasya yung sing-sing. Hindi kasya yung sing-sing.
Baka para sa nanay mo talaga.
So, hindi mo na isuot?
Hindi ko nasuot. Sabi niya, he'll have it resized.
Resized.
Pero hindi na niya nabalik. So, hanggang nagkalimutan na. Parang ganon. And then, I was very young then. I just graduated from college eh. So, syempre may parang certain expectation ka sa buhay. Tapos nagkaanak na kayo, mas naging focus na yung paano nyo bubuhayin, papalakihin yung anak. And then si Keith, parang naging busy kasi he's an artist. So kung saan may opportunity mag-work, kung abroad. So isa ko doon sa nag-encourage sa kanya, okay lang, hanggang sa, alam niyo yon nalipasan na yung plans, ng marriage, nagkaroon na rin ng konting conflict, hanggang sa hindi na natuloy.
Oo. Hindi na asikaso, hindi na rin naisip yung
Hindi na
yung
prioritize.
wedding. Hindi na
Life
prioritize.
happens. Oo, yung
And I think, yung mga ganong kaso, di ba, halimbawa, may baby na kayo or you got pregnant, your parents would normally pressure you na dapat magpakasal kayo. Hindi naman nila ako pressure. I think ang priority rin nila that time was ako. Dapat ayusin mo muna yung career mo. Bata ka pa eh. Kakagraduate mo lang. You're still building your life. So, hindi kailangan. That's not the priority. So, hindi rin siya naging...
Nung nawala si Keith, kayo pa nun?
Ay, hindi na. Matagal na kaming hiwalay.
Oo. But
May
you were there
kanya-kanya
nung
na
nawala
kami.
siya.
Yeah, I was there. In fact, his remains are with us
Okay.
sa bahay. Kasi wala naman talagang family. Si Keith, kami yung family lang niya dito.
So, hindi natuloy yung
Hindi
wedding.
natuloy, yeah.
Nagkahiwalay kayo. May dumating ulit na bagong tao sa buhay mo. At nag-propose na naman.